Hello students for class 11th and 12th both. This topic is quite important and compulsory, one of the writing section. The topic is report writing. Now before I explain you that what is the format of the report writing, what types of reports do we write, how it is written for all purposes. First of all, let us understand that what is a report. Report is something which has already happened and now whatever we are telling about it, that is a report. For example, every day on the news channels, every news which is delivered to you, that is only report. Because something has happened and now they are telling us about it. Nowadays we have live cast also, that yes, something is happening and we are getting the report about it, but still that would be called as report. The perfect thing can be the newspaper. Every day people are habitual of reading the news, and in most of the places, we find that the day of the beginning for so many people into the world is by reading the newspaper. So once they start reading the newspaper, so what do they want to know? The world around them, the news related around the world, the reports of the different things which has already happened around them. So that is report writing. Now, the second thing, that how many types of reports do we have? So basically, there are two criteria under which we give the examples of report writing. We divide it into two forms. One is accidents. That means all the reports related to any accident. And on the second thing, we write about the events. Now, let us understand that what all points are covered under accident, what all points are covered under event. Accident, something which suddenly happened and we were not prepared for it. That may be something which has given us a loss, we were not prepared for it, it suddenly happened, that is called an accident. So that may be a road accident, maybe train accident, maybe a plane accident also, fine, maybe some natural calamities, right? And other than this, two more important points are there which are also included into the accident, and they are fire and robbery. That means all they are different points. All fire and robbery. That means all such reports which are written on the basis of some robbery anywhere, on the basis of some accident related to some fire, something burned, there was some fire into a shop, right? Suddenly a gas cylinder got the fire and it has created a blast. So whatever such incidents related to these are called as accidents, because we are not prepared for them. Suddenly something happened that causes problems, that causes loss, that can be loss of property, loss of life, that is considered under the part of accident. Now, then what comes under the events? Events include certain points which are first planned and then organized. Something which is first planned and then organized, that all comes under the category of events. Clear? Maybe functions. Functions, especially the functions related to your schools. Annual day celebration, sports day event. Right? What is it? Function. Then we call it celebration. Celebration of your elder sister's marriage, celebration of your parents' 25th anniversary, celebration of your birthday, it all comes under the celebration. Then, what else? Seminars. That is also one of the important ones. That sometimes we are going to attend some seminar. What happened to that seminar? Because it is also first planned and then organized. So that also is important part which can be written out. Then is exhibitions. As sometimes you find that there is some exhibition related to art and craft, some exhibition related to some science and fiction, and those exhibitions are particularly planned and organized for the people, so that comes under it. And it can be donations, maybe the donation of blood donation, organs, health checkups, or any such event which is planned up creates events. So this is how we say that anything which is first planned and then organized, that comes into the category of events. So this how the report writing is divided into these two different categories. I hope this is clear. Now let us understand that how to create the format, how to write the report. Because we need to follow a particular format of writing the report. Basically, there are two formats of writing the report. One format which is particularly utilized for writing the report for school magazines or some other magazine. Second is for writing the report to be printed into the newspapers. Both follow the different format. Let us first talk about the newspaper. First of all, that whatever we will write, it has to be, we'll begin with the heading. The heading has to be centralized. It is written into the center of the page. The first thing comes is heading. Under this is written byline. Into this we write by and we write the name of the person who is writing the report and the post of the person. Fine. Suppose you are a reporter of so and so newspaper, then your name and the reporter and the name of the newspaper would be given. So this will be written. Then two more things come importantly, that too just with the margin towards your left hand side. You write what? Date. Put in two dots and you write date here, and you write place. Again put in two dots and you write the place here. And after that you start writing your report. Now for writing the report, the page is divided into two portions. A single page is divided into two portions. Like into the newspapers, what do you find? That the report in the newspaper is not written into a single big paragraph. The newspaper is divided into different parts, and those parts are also divided into columns, and in the same way we are also going to divide the page into two parts, and the writing content will be divided into columns. Here we begin right from here, so this can be called as the first paragraph. Now the second paragraph will not be written under this. Second paragraph, I will make it a little more clear so that the board is quite clear to you. You can see under. So I have written first paragraph here, and now for writing the second paragraph I am reaching towards, not under this. Second paragraph will come on the other side of the board. We will write the second paragraph here. Then again we will come back to the first page and the first page or the first division of the page. Now this third paragraph will be written here, and for fourth we will go under the second paragraph. This how the format of writing report for newspaper is followed. Under this, you will not write anything, no thank you, nothing comes towards the end, because already just onto the heading and byline you have already given the example of the writer also, the information of the writer. Now what is the difference for writing the school magazine report? It will include only this. So that means it becomes easier. While writing the report for any magazine, we just write heading, and under the heading we write byline by giving the name of the person in the post, and then it is written simply into the paragraphs, into 3 simple paragraphs. I hope that the report writing's format is quite clear to you. Tomorrow in the next video, I am going to discuss that what all points, what should be the content of writing the report and how it should be written. Fine? Because it is not easy to change the content and write it. I will first describe that to you tomorrow in next video, and then we will continue. Thank you, children.